This is a clip of what the Wjboss. I think this is the one for the MT4. Just to show you a real idea of what the button is. On the MT4, what I love about it has a continuation button. It has closed, everything is profit. So if you're going into profit, you can hit this green button, just take the ones out that are in profit. It has where you can put in multiple buy stops, sell limits, sell stop, buy limits. So you can do like what they call it, straddle, where straddle um, the pair, sell stop, sell limit, buy limit, buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, buy limit, buy stop, sell limit. So you can do it simultaneously with it'll hedge it. That's what I was trying to say. These two buttons here are for executionable buttons. It's like when you see a big move, you can press these two buttons or one of these buttons, depending on if it's trending. Now, if it is trending and you want to take your profit, you can turn the continuation button on. It'll take you out and put you right back in. Okay. You can close all your pending trades. This sniper button is very powerful as well. What I would do, like in the London session, I would go into this into the app and hedge it with as many buy limits and sell limits, like say if it's consolidate that I want, and just go to bed and let it run. These buttons over here, we haven't really played with the trail and stop much, but it has a trail and stop on it. Reverse button, but this is only in the MT4 right now. And then it'll stack it where it'll stagger your trades instead of being on top of each other. It'll go like 05, 010, 020, 030, whatever, if you want to stack them. But it's a powerful tool that I've been trying to get in the right hand. And as you can see, I'm in profit here. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell. Well, the WJ stands for Will and J. That's what the Wjboss stands for. Because the gentleman, the code name is Will. Okay, I'm going to show how I'm going to push the close profit button. It's going to close all of my trades that are in profit. And just imagine if you had that quick in and out strategy on those pairs and you close them all at once. Only got to move a couple of pips. I was doing this for indices and Bitcoin and what have you. Okay, it's going into profit now. You see, I got my hand over the green button. It's going to take profit. Okay, it looks like it's going into profit now. I'm going to take this profit now. You're going to see it's going to clear all this out. It should put me back in. I think if I got the continuation. Yeah, I got the continuation button on. So it's putting me right back in the trades. I had a continuation true. So again, you can take all your profits and they'll put you right back in. Okay, put me back in. I'm going to take some more profit. Yeah, taking some more profit. So that takes everything that's in profit and it's putting me right back in again. It's awesome. Awesome. Love it. So that's the gist of it in a nutshell.